time we move on to very good news, to hype you up a little bit, a multiple Tony Award winner, a Broadway star, outstanding MACA alumnus. Palakpakan na natin si Sir Victor Felipe!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Victor Felipe, and I'm here. I'm aware of the crisis that MACA is in. So, susubukan ko kayong isalba. And to motivate you to do your best, I'm happy to announce the team that wins the regionals will take home $250,000 pesos.
Million? As in like million? 250,000 divided by 50 winning students. Oh my God! Laki! Teka mo. 16,000. Grabe!
Sino mo lang itong bibigyan ng 250,000 pesos dito?
Dalawang baryaman na mga art patrons sa New York. Since first production ko, sinusuportahan nila.
Victor. Sir Victor. Alam ko na hindi mo pa nakikilala yung mga tuturuan mo, pero nakita mo nang nag-perform yung mga competitors. So, alam. Excuse me.
Guys, students, class, bakit hindi ninyo i-demo kay Sir Victor yung piece na pinerform ninyo from last year's competition? Yes? Come on! Grade 8, let's go!
Pero, sadly, hindi sila nanalo.
Ay. Yan na naman. Pagpapala natin yung demo. Magaling naman tayo. Dito ka na sa gitna. Ikaw, dun ka.